everyone, how are you all? Today we will start with Moral Science, chapter number 4, Realize Your Potential. So in this chapter, first I would like to know that what do you understand by this word potential? Think about it, and everybody knows that each one of us has some potential to do something, and each one is unique. So we'll start reading with this chapter. Self-worth refers to a feeling that you have good qualities which can make you achieve good things in life. So self-worth is your that comes that a feeling that comes from within, that you have some good qualities which can make you achieve good things in life. In other words, it is a feeling that makes you think that you have a potential for doing great things in life. So that feeling comes from inside of you. So however, even if one has potential, he has to work hard to attain success, because success comes after a lot of failures. If you have a potential, then what you need to do is you need to work hard to get the success. And sometimes we get so many failures, many times we get failures. So don't be disappointed with the failures, but with the failures only we achieve success. So in fact, failures teach a person how to attain success. It is a step to learn how to get the success in our life. So one should never be afraid of failures. He should use his talent again and again to achieve the desired goal. Now we will see here, can you see the picture of some famous personalities here? Very famous and successful people like Henry Ford, Bill Gates, Walt Disney, Albert Einstein, Charles Darwin, Isaac Newton, Socrates, Thomas Edison, Winston Churchill, Abraham Lincoln, Oprah Winfrey, Charlie Chaplin, Dhirubhai Ambani, Akshay Kumar, Emily Dickinson, Steven Spielberg, J.K. Rowling, Ludwig van Beethoven, Amitabh Bachchan, Michael Jordan, etc. They attain success, they get the success, but after a lot of failures and the struggles in their life. Now we have a story here of Akshay Kumar, that how he realized his potential after so much failures in his life. So what is the real name of Akshay Kumar? Yes, his name is Rajiv Hariom Bhatia. This is the real name of Akshay Kumar, and Akshay Kumar is popularly known by his stage name, which is Akshay Kumar, but the real name is Rajiv Hariom Bhatia. He was born in Amritsar in year 1967 in a typical Punjabi household. After completing his schooling in Delhi, he moved to Mumbai for higher studies, but left his college midway to shift to Bangkok to learn martial arts. So he was born in Amritsar in a typical Punjabi family, and after completing his schooling in Delhi, he moved to Mumbai for the higher studies, but he has to left his college to shift to Bangkok to learn the martial arts. He wanted to learn martial arts, so he shifted from Mumbai to Bangkok. Now, due to some financial crisis, he took odd jobs like being a waiter and chef, whilst learning the combat sport Muay Thai. After some time, he returned to his homeland with a black belt in Taekwondo. After that, Calcutta, which is also known as Kolkata, was his first spot in India, where Rajiv worked as a peon for a year. Dhaka was next, where he worked as a salesman for a brief period of 6 months. Next up was Delhi, where he worked as a small jewelry trader. Finally, he took to teaching martial arts to school children in Mumbai. And Rajiv was directionless. He was not knowing in which direction he should go in his life, and he had to accept whatever life threw in at him. So he accepted everything. He done all type of jobs, but little did he know that he was inching close to fame. It was one of his students who brought him into modeling, and he got his picture clicked, and in no time Rajiv started earning good. Rajiv fell in love with the glamour world and changed his name to become Akshay Kumar. But if Akshay would have thought that modeling was his calling, destiny, and some other plans for him, he missed flight before an important advertisement shoot led Akshay to try his luck in Bollywood. Then he started dropping his pictures in the offices of well known producers and directors. After many days of anonymity and a string of rejections, Akshay got his first movie, Deedar. It was the director Due Abbas Mastan who breathed life into Akshay Kumar's career and established him with Khiladi. The audiences idolized him as a ultimate action star, which motivated the actor to do so many, as many as 8 movies in the blockbuster Khiladi series. Now, then after that, Akshay married Twinkle Khanna on January 17, 2001. An interesting fact about Akshay is that he is considered to be the most disciplined and fittest actor in the entire film industry. Everybody knows, right? Abstinence from vices and rigorous workout regime and the habit of devoting a part of his day to his family have what made Akshay the man he is today. In more than 2 decades of his Bollywood career, Akshay has proved his acting talent in more than 100 movies and has been admired in every genre. His role in the recent movie Airlift was praised by all. Besides, he gained tremendous popularity in the TV reality stunt show Fear Factor, Khatron Ke Khiladi, etc. Now, with prestigious awards like the Padma Shri and the Rajiv Gandhi Award, 2 successful production companies, and outstanding achievements in social work, Akshay Kumar is one of the highest paid actor in the world, a global icon and an inspiration to many. So, you have seen the story of Akshay Kumar, how he started and what he became, right? Because he was not knowing what potential he has, but slowly, as and when the time passed, he realized that what potential he has, right? So, we will also see here some points that how you can realize that your potential. First is you need to think about yourself. In order to realize your full potential, you must know and live according to your core values. Suppose you are a very disciplined person, you want to stay fit, you want to be healthy, then you need to live accordingly. So there are the things that shape how you view yourself. So these are the things that shape how you view yourself, others, and the world around you. Studies suggest that you will find your life more meaningful and feel a deeper sense of well-being if you live a life that is a value congruent. So you need to ask some questions to yourself. Think of 2 people who really admire. You need to think of 2 people you really admire. And what do you admire about them? What do you find inspiring? Why? How do you think these things could manifest in your own life? Think about a moment in your life when you felt very satisfied or fulfilled. What was it? Why did you feel that way? If you could change just one thing in your community, what would you change and why? If your house was on fire and your family and pets were all safe, what three things would you try to rescue and why? And then you need to check your response for themes. Once you answered all the questions which I told you, then perhaps you really admire your mother selflessness and empathy and your brother's work. Maybe you would save your family's photos. This would suggest that one of your values is relationships, especially with your family. And then what you need to do is you need to decide what realizing your true potential look likes. You need to visualize the person who you want to be. Person you want to be. Remember. And the next is you need to be patient and kind to yourself. So think about it. I know that every child has a potential to do something, and definitely you are going to get success in your life. But remember this, you get success with many failures. Sometimes you might not get any failures, but sometimes if you get failures, don't be disappointed with the failures, because the failures are the steps to get the success. And remember this line. So you need to do the exercises of this chapter. There are some question answers given. What do you mean by self-worth? What do failures teach us? Name 5 famous people who achieve fame and success after a lot of struggle. So these question answer, you will find out the answers of this chapter. However, I will give the answers in the next class to you. So till then, God bless you all.